Alectra is the premier electricity distributor and provider of integrated energy solutions in Canada.
We were originally hired in 2004 by Alectra's predecessor company, PowerStream, and have been with them ever since, working on their strategy and their entire real estate portfolio.
We were brought in by another service provider who believed that adding our strategic approach would be very beneficial to Alectra's predecessor company as they were in startup mode.
We knew when Alectra was merged that we would have 3 head offices. All of them were very different. We were very disjointed in terms of our facility space.
Coming together with 4 major utilities, you needed the space to bring groups together, make them collaborative. That was one of the first things we needed to do, is figure out a way to bring people together.
Our approach is not based on the bricks and mortar of real estate, but really starts with an understanding of the people.
It was a matter of Cresa coming to the table, recognizing what's good, what we can reuse, and then coming forward to us with recommendations.
We developed the strategy with them and ensured that they were able to bring everyone together and create a unified culture.
Culture, culture, culture was really the mantra and the key.
They suggested various ways we could reconfigure certain walls or certain things, and now we can work together better. So they not only looked at our values, but I think they tried to make sure that it was incorporated in the space.
What Cresa has really done is really picked up on, the drive of the organization.
We listed our space requirements, we listed what we needed and where we wanted the people, and they came up with some great innovative designs to be able to incorporate all the movements that we needed to do.
I think they were an integral partner in terms of how we were evolving our facilities. It's the meeting rooms, it's the cafeterias, it's the breakout rooms, it's the hoteling stations. Those are all integral to not only attracting staff, but ensuring that we can keep our staff here and keep them engaged.
Alectra is a very employee-centric organization. They care about their people, they want to provide them with great facilities, and I think they've done that.
What Cresa has brought forward is a very innovative, respectful, employee-focused environment in which our employees can really enjoy coming to work, thrive when they're at work.
They're excited about the future, they're excited about what we're delivering, and we couldn't have done it without Cresa.